Hello, it's Chase that Tornado 67, and I just looked at my radar, and this is a storm that has hail in it. It's moving at 25 miles an hour to the east, and it should have winds of about 60 miles an hour, but it definitely has hail, and this is the front of the storm. Starting to get louder. I'm not sure if you can hear that. It sounds kind of like cars. And it should get louder from the one I experienced on March 18th. It's going to get pretty loud, so okay, it is starting to get a bit dark from the front clouds right here, and that should be the core of the storm making its way through right about now. See if we can make some color corrections going on real quick. It's going to get a bit windy from the outflow winds. Okay, now I'm using my Play Sport recording in 720p, sadly, but at 60 frames per second for fast motion. And because my phone ran out of space, some technical difficulties going on there. But yeah, this has hail up in it. So it might get a bit windy. Alright, we're getting some nice winds right here. This looks pretty fun. This is a waterproof camera that I'm using too, so that's got to be at least 75 miles an hour right here. I'm probably overestimating though. Probably at least a good 55 that we just saw. I'm holding this handheld, so it's a bit shaky. Alright. Okay, so now we don't really have much wind anymore. Not the wind front that came in with winds of like at least 60 miles an hour. But this right here is at least, this is some very hard rain we're getting right now. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe we are getting some wind now. I had to delete another video. You can even hear me. Wow, man, that has to be at least 65 might be a rain wrap tornado, an F1. This is some nice footage here. Okay, that was a pretty cool thunderstorm I just saw. No hail with it. We did get winds of about 65 to 70 miles an hour, as you saw in the little clips I recorded because I kept running out of space, but that was pretty good. I'm going to check with my radar and see what the winds are from the radar. I'm sorry I couldn't record it all in 1080p HD, so I take back what I said because my phone ran out of space. That's why you always bring up backup cameras. So it's been to chase that Tornado 67 production, and hopefully there'll be some more storms to record. Look at that. I didn't even see that. Yeah, I'm lucky.